In front of me is OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Bluetooth. Then tap on gray switcher at the top right corner next to Bluetooth to activate it, and wait for the available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, click on this icon right next to your device. Hit unpair and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!